Welcome to this introduction of the Kusori Electric Kettle, a premium kitchen appliance designed for safety, speed, and convenience. This kettle features a borosilicate glass body with no plastic contact inside, ensuring pure tasting water every time. It boils water faster than traditional stovetop kettles, getting a full cup ready in under 3 minutes. The design emphasizes easy cleaning with a wide mouth and a dual-angle lid that opens either partially to reduce splashes or fully for thorough cleaning. Safety is guaranteed with auto shutoff and boil dry protection features, so you can use it worry-free. Pouring is precise and safe thanks to the special spout and cool touch handle. Its sleek black look is enhanced by a blue LED light that glows during boiling, making it both functional and modern. Ideal for tea, coffee, or quick meals, this 1.7-liter, 1,500-watt electric kettle is a perfect addition to any kitchen. Don't miss out on the current discount price of $24.93, down from $27.99. Get yours now and enjoy a pure, fast, and safe boiling experience.